So I want to show you how to get your horse used to opening and closing a gate. I've got a perfect gate entrance here. This is my 7 Peaks round pen. Oh my gosh, I love this round pen. I could go on and on about it. It's so beautiful. It's 6 foot tall. You can work wild horses in it. It also has like this really cool escape gate where you can kind of get in and out of the round pen safely. In addition to that though, I love these huge wide entrances, okay? And this is perfect for working on getting a horse to work with the gate. So I'm gonna put her right up against the gate here, okay? And then what I do when I'm working on this exercise is I just kind of take my lead rope, and you can see you couldn't do this with, you know, a little round pin that doesn't have a good gate on it like these. And so what I do is, and again, I'm not gonna tie it for safety, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask my horse to do what we call the come to exercise. When we ask our horse to come to, we just pick up on the rein, okay? And we're talking to this front foot. And I want this front foot, when I pick up, I don't want her to back up, so I'm gonna correct her here. I'm gonna say, no, don't go backwards. I just want this front foot to pick up. I'm gonna give her a second to understand what I'm asking here, okay? So I'm gonna hold, I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna pretend like this is her rein, okay? I'm gonna pick up, wait for her to bring that front left leg over for me, and the moment she brings it there, I'll release the pressure, okay? So I'm gonna step her back over. All right, push her rib cage over for me here. Good girl. And I'm gonna ask again. So I'm gonna pick up, ask her to step 2. There she goes, very good. Okay, so now when I do this, I'm gonna bring the gate with her, and I'm just gonna kind of pull right here with her, okay? Now, for a horse who hasn't done this, you wanna make sure they're desensitized, that they're comfortable with the gate, because you don't want them running into you, okay? So I'm gonna bring the gate here, and I'm gonna start with adding a little bit of pressure with the gate and picking up on that rein. And if she tries to walk forward, I'll kind of bump her back and say, don't walk forward. Step 2, come into me. There she goes, and I'll give her a rub there. I'm gonna ask her again. I'm gonna bring the gate, I'm gonna pick up, there! And you see how nice and, oh, good girl, I'm gonna let her out there. How nice and easy and uneventful it is to introduce having her side pass or step or pivot while the gate is there, right? Getting her used to opening and closing gates. 7 Peaks, thank you so much for making these wide gate entrances, because this is an incredible training tool.